This video shows how to create system recovery disks for your HP computer using Windows 8. Recovery disks contain backup files of the original operating system, drivers, and application software that came with your computer. If you need to perform a system recovery and the recovery data on your hard drive has become damaged, you can use recovery media to restore your computer to its original condition. It is important to note that you can create recovery media only once. Your computer has two options for creating recovery media: a USB flash drive or writable DVDs. This video shows how to create a recovery image using DVDs. Use blank writable DVDs. For best results, HP recommends using DVD plus R disks. Recovery information is very important, so it's a good idea to use a brand of DVD that you trust. Before you begin, you need to prepare your computer. First, close Internet Explorer and disconnect your computer from the Internet. If your computer is connected using a cable, disconnect the cable. If your computer is using a wireless connection, press the wireless key. This places your computer in airplane mode, which disables the wireless capability. Close all other programs. It is important not to use your computer for other tasks when creating recovery disks. Start the recovery disk creation process by opening Recovery Manager. To do this, press the Windows key plus the Q key to open the Apps menu. Type Recovery Manager in the search field and click Recovery Manager. Select Recovery Media Creation. If you see a message explaining that you are only allowed to create one set of recovery media, click I accept. Click Continue. The next window asks you to insert the recovery media you will be using. If you want to use a USB flash drive for your recovery media, you would insert a flash drive. The Recovery Manager detects the drive, and the USB flash drive box highlights on the screen. Note the minimum capacity required also displays on the screen. From here you would follow the on-screen instructions. In this example, we will be creating recovery DVDs. Note the number of disks required, as you will need these disks to complete the recovery disk creation process. Before inserting the disks, it's a good idea to use a permanent marker to label the disks in case you need to use them to perform a system recovery. Insert the first disk and close the drive. The Recovery Manager detects the media. A window opens showing the disk type and the number of disks required. Click Yes. A window opens and displays the status of the processes. This includes inserting the disk, preparing the data, burning the data, and verifying the disk. It's important not to interrupt the recovery process once it's started. Wait for a message stating that the disk creation was successful and for the disk drive to open automatically. When you are prompted for another disk, insert it into the disk drive and click OK. Repeat these steps until you have successfully created all recovery disks. After the last disk is created, click OK to complete the process. After successfully creating all of the required disks, make sure each of the disks is appropriately labeled. Keep all of the disks together when storing them. It is important to protect these disks. Store them in a safe, dark place out of direct sunlight. If these disks become lost or damaged, you will need to contact HP to obtain new disks. Thank you for viewing this video. For more help, go to hp.com/support.